wipe my arm off. Too many swatches. Ow, I dropped it on my foot. Hey guys, what's up? It's Natalie. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So today we're doing a very, very exciting video. It is a review slash like kind of haul and swatches of the Hush company. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of that company and like know what it is because it's very popular right now on YouTube, the shop Hush. It's super cheap makeup. I was so sketched out about it for the longest time because I was like, no way can good makeup be that cheap. But let me just tell you, first and forward, it's that good and it's cheap. So 10 out of 10 recommend. And we're just gonna go ahead and get right into these swatches and stuff. And guys, I will be doing a giveaway in the video, which I know is probably part of the reason some of y'all clicked on it. Not gonna lie, I do that too sometimes. You see a giveaway, who doesn't want free stuff? You have to watch until the very end to get the details on the giveaway, and I'll give you the rules and everything at the very end, so just keep on watching. But before we do, let me just tell you, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button that is down below and hit the little bell notification beside it as well. That is going to let you know when I upload my new videos. And also I have my social media linked down below in the description box. Check that out. I also post extra on there. I let you know when I'm uploading, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to stay up to date on that, go ahead and add me on my social media accounts. And without further ado, let's get right on into this Shop Hush haul. Okay, so literally everything that I bought was from the Bad Habit company. And they're pretty good. We're gonna say that. I got, let's see, in total I got 7 palettes in total. 3 of them were like in this series. They're these little, they have 9 shadows in each palette. So we're just gonna open them up, see what they look like on the inside, and then do some swatches of the colors. I have opened these all up before. They came packaged really nicely. The box came really nice and everything. And I've played around with like a couple of the palettes, and I got a highlighting palette. Everything else is eyeshadows. But other than that, everything's been great. So the first one we're going to jump into is the After Party palette, and as I said, it has 9 shadows in it. This just looks really pretty. You've got like you've got 1, 2, 4 mattes. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, and then 5 shimmers or sparkles. This one here is called Strobe Light, and if you see, they kind of have themed names, just like the Urban Decay Naked palettes or the Too Faced Sweet Peach palettes or chocolate palettes, anything. They always have themed names, which I really appreciate. So here I'm just going to take my finger, rub it around, and let's just swatch that right here. Gorgeous. That's a gorgeous chromy color. Appreciate that. Okay, so we did Strobe Light, and now the gold color we're going to swatch right here is called Trouble. It's just super buttery. Oh, they're so buttery. I'm like barely touching my finger in them. And then we're going to do this matte brown. Sometimes mattes are more difficult, but I barely rubbed my finger in it, and we've already got that deep brown color. It's not terribly dark, but like I said, you can kind of like build it up. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's try the black as well, see how the black is. There it is. This one's looking, yeah. The black is a little powdery, but not terrible at all. Those are those swatches of 4 of the After Party colors I like. It'll be nice for smoke. This will be really nice for like going out, smoky eye looks, whatever. Perfect. Recommend. Okay, next let's jump into the After Dark palette, and this one also has 9 shades in it. This is kind of more, it reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay Toasted palette. It's got some of those orangier colors in it, which I really like. I think they're really fun to work with. This one actually only has 1 shimmer in it. The rest are matte. So you have 8 mattes in the After Dark palette and 1 shimmer. These I think were only like $10 each, which is a really good deal. 9 eyeshadows for $10. We're going to go ahead and swatch a couple. We're going to use this really fiery orange up in the top left corner. It is called Crush on Me. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip my finger in that. So buttery. I'm loving it. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. That's beautiful. Okay, and then let's also do this rosy color down here. It's called Rosy Glow. Yeah, and that's like your perfect peachy color. Not powdery, really. Super blendable, they're feeling like. I don't feel like these ones would have a ton of fallout. And I'll test this shimmer. It looks like a very shimmery gold. It's called 24 Carat. There it is on my finger. Yeah, that's more of a bronzy gold. But it's still super, super pretty, super pigmented. So this one, also in love with. And so the last one I had from this collection was the After Hours one. This one has more of the rosy-ish colors. We're going to go ahead and try out, this one has 3 shimmers and 6 mattes. So all of them have a different variety of mattes to shimmers. We're going to go ahead and try out here this middle color right here. It's called Clut. Oh, no, that one is called Lustful. It looks like it'll just be a really nice transition color, like a crease color. It's just kind of a taupey brown. So that'll be really nice to, like, yeah, use for that. And then we're also going to try out this light pink shimmer. I've seen sometimes, this one looks like the most shimmery, but when you get into like lighter shimmers, sometimes they can tend to be crumbly. I have a lot of fallout, so I'm just going to dip my finger into that a little bit. There it is. It's looking really pretty right now. Nope, not a ton of fallout. It's not too glittery is the thing. It's got that chromy, it's not too glittery, and so I really like that. And then we're also going to try out this red in the bottom left corner. It's called Cabernet. Just dip our fingers into that. Oh, that's beautiful. That one is a little bit streaky, might be a little bit difficult to work with, but I think for that, that's something I would use in my outer corner. So I wouldn't be using it a ton or have to work with it a lot for blending. But that one is a little bit streaky, but I don't think it's terrible. Something you can definitely work with. And so that is the After Hours palette. Next one I got from Bad Habit as well is this Aphrodite palette. It looks like this. It's just got some gold triangles on there. This is one of their best sellers. And this has 18 eyeshadows in it. Let me just open it up here for you guys. It has 18 colors in there. And again, it's got the pinky colors. And does this remind you guys of any specific special palette that might be like in the $50s or $60? It looks like the Huda Beauty palettes. They have this one, and one of their other 18 color ones are kind of designed to look like the Huda Beauty palettes. So it's got these beautiful colors, and I don't own the Huda Beauty palettes because they are so expensive, and so I've seen other reviews on them that say that they're literally like the exact same thing, quality-wise and everything. They're just both great. So this one I think was $12 or $14, which for 18 eyeshadows, that is so stinking cheap, and it works amazing. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these. The first one I'm going to swatch is, I'll do the mattes first and then my shimmers. I'm going to swatch this really pretty color. This is the one that catches my eye first time. Like, I saw this palette, even when I opened it up, it's the first one I saw. It's this bright pink color called Flirt. Reminds me of Mean Girls. I don't know why. Just when I see these, like, or Legally Blonde is also what it reminds me of. So I'm just going to dip my finger into that. It's super creamy again. I mean, I feel like not super pigmented, not too pigmented. I didn't put my finger in a ton. Okay, there I dipped it in a little bit more. Yeah, you're getting some great payoff there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I feel like these palettes are really consistent from palette to palette with how their eyeshadows are made. There are the select few that are a little bit more powdery and everything, but I found with every palette, that's how it is. Some of my Too Faced ones, I've got really great ones, and I've got some that have some fallout. Same with my Urban Decay. It just happens. Some colors are harder to work with than other ones are. So that was the color Flirt. We're going to go ahead and go into this, like, brownish cashmere color called Romance up in the top, and swatch that one next. So here on my arm, I'm swatching that right below Flirt. That one's got great, it's really great. I like that one too, buttery as well. Let's do this grayish color right here about in the middle of the palette. It's called Passion. Swatch that a little bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty too. That's really pretty. Nice. These are all, they're buildable too. Like, they come off super light, so you don't have to be super wary when you're putting it on and being like, oh my gosh, I'm about to stain my whole entire eye pink or something. Like, you can build it up to what you want it to look like. So those are 3 mattes, and let me do 1 glitter and 2 shimmers. So I'm going to use this glitter, this bronzy glitter right here. It looks like it might have the most fallout. It's called Adore. Not a ton. It was kind of crummy when I picked it up, but oh gosh. Yeah, it's got some fallout. So I definitely would do this. If you're going to use one of the glitters, do it before you put on your concealer, girls, or else you're going to have a little bit of that everywhere on your face. But it's a beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful. And then let's do for shimmer, let's do this greenish color, kind of foresty color down here. It's called Infatuation. I'm going to go ahead and dip my finger in that. That's definitely more smooth than the glitter. Not a ton of color pay. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, I dip it in a little bit more and I got some more color payoff. So I like it. It's good. That's all I have to say. Next palette I have, again, by bad habit. I said that they're all by bad habit, so I don't know why I keep saying that. It is the Aura palette. I think these are $10 or $12 on their site. And you get 14 eyeshadows in there, so still a ton cheaper. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Does it look like any palette to you guys? Kind of looks like Subculture. It's Fine by Anastasia. And you're paying like less than half the price. You're paying like a fourth of the price. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these beautiful colors. You get a little bit more of an array here, so I'm playing with some more colorful colors. Let's swatch some that I haven't really swatched yet. We're going to do this shimmer down here, this teal color. It's called Ecstasy. That is it when I pick it up. Super pretty, like teal-y color. Let's see it on the arm. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. And this one I feel like does not have a lot of fallout. That did not have like a ton of fallout, and it's just super buttery and blendable. I love it. That's going to be really fun to play with. Let's also do this color right here. It looks like they're going to have it for an inner corner color or for a brow bone highlight. It is called Phenomenon. It's just like this white. Oh, that's pretty too. That's so much pigment when I pick that up. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's a gorgeous color for inner corner and brow bone. That is gorgeous. You could even like pull that as some highlight if you wanted to. So I like that. Let's do a couple mattes here. Let's do, we're going to do this deep brown right here. It's called Vibe. Super buttery. It's getting a little streaky. But when you put a little bit more on top, it's not bad. I like that. Okay, and then we're also going to swatch this one right here that's called Energy. It is the bright yellow, and it is one that I've not like seen a ton of people put in a bright yellow. So I'm interested to see how this is. Oh, and it's got pretty good color payoff. A little bit streaky. It's a kind of chalky, in all honesty, but it's fun. It's fun. It's that very electric yellow. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Last eyeshadow palette, I promise. This is the Royals palette. Just got the gold lettering on the front. When you open it up, it looks like this. It's just got some rosy colors in it. These are mainly mattes. There are there's like 2 shimmer colors and a couple satins in there. They're not all mattes. Honestly, creamy. I don't feel like you want to see more swatches. That one's pretty. That's that bottom left color, Majestic here. That's pretty, a pretty like fuchsia-y purple. It's a matte. They've got this color Queen that is going to be beautiful for inner corner or for brow bone highlight. Gorgeous champagne-y color. Great palette. I'm obsessed. That's pretty much all there is to say. Okay, last thing I got was a highlighting palette, and it is the Rosé highlighting palette. This is gorgeous. It's what I have on my face today. It's what I had on in my last video. If you want to check that out in my intro and stuff, it's what I was wearing. Has 6 highlights. Beautiful, beautiful highlights. I've been leaning more towards, I got a little fallout there. These, actually, I can't even say that. I've used like all of them. I've like mixed them kind of. So you've got this super bright white. You've got a champagne-y color. You've got a gold. You've got a rose gold. You've got a pink. You've got like a bronzy-ish color. And they're all beautiful. Let me just swatch like the champagne for you a little bit. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's a look. That is a whole look. Wow. You're gonna glow into new dimensions. And let me do like this pinky color here for you. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's fine. No one wanted to see. They wanted to be blinded by your highlight anyways. It's amazing. It's buttery. I think this was like $12. It's an amazing highlight palette. They're usually, they have other ones too. Hush is just a great company. I 10 out of 10 recommend them. The packaging is great. They're magnetic like a lot of the Lorac and Too Faced ones are. I have no bad things to say about them. Completely honest, no lie. I paid for these all with my own money. They're not paying me or sponsoring me to say anything about their products. I am just obsessed with them. That is all I have to say about it. So for the giveaway, I am giving away one of the After Party palettes, which was the first palette that I showed you. Has the great colors for the smoky eye. And I'm also giving away this honey sheet mask that they have. Rules are super, super simple. You guys need to follow my beauty account on Instagram, which I have linked down in the description box below. Be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment. If you do those 4 things, you'll be entered to win the giveaway. And this giveaway I will leave open for 2 weeks once I upload the video. So I'll put the end date in the description box below. I think I'm going to get this uploaded hopefully on Monday the 18th. So I believe that puts us at like beginning of July is when this would be over. Super simple. You've got 2 weeks. Only leave 1 comment. Don't spam. If you spam, it's never good. Just enter 1. It's only 1 entry per person. That's about all I think I have to say, and you'll get these 2 great things for doing those things. So please just do that. And so if you're interested, give the video a thumbs up. Also, when you comment down below for the giveaway, you need to comment Shop Hush giveaway. It needs to be your comment. Shop Hush giveaway. And then also, if you want to leave future video ideas down below, also, tell me which palette was your favorite. If you own any of these palettes or own any other palettes from Hush, let me know which ones you're loving. I'd love to hear back from you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.